Hello everyone. My wife recently bought a Stokke Tripp Trapp Sweetheart Complete High Chair, and I was assembling it. It took me quite a while. I was struggling putting the cushion on with the harness through that cushion, and it seems impossible at that time. Then I realized, well, it seems there's one thing that's been blocking it, and that's it. Um, The key is to remove that piece out and then put a cushion on and then put that plastic plate back on it. Um, and it does take some effort to take the harness or the harness out of that plate. And okay, now we have it. We are ready to put the cushion on. It does take a while to adjust the harness. So that it will be easier later on to put a cushion and then save some adjustment later on. Just try to make them even. And now we can find that cushion and just take one stripe through one hole, another stripe through the other hole. And then you will have it. I'm just gonna fast forward through this part. I'm not a professional in this uh, assembling this product, and definitely waste quite some time in assembling it. Now we put that thing back to the harness. It does take longer time than the time we spend to take it out of that harness, but we will get there. Now we have it. I'm not sure if this video was helpful to you, but I hope this can save you some struggle.